Construction of a circumcircle of a triangle is an important geometry task in various board syllabi. Today, we are going to learn this technique with the help of an animation. First of all, I should inform you that there are two separate stages in this type of questions in secondary level or any other examination. The first stage is to draw a specially shaped triangle, just as it mentioned in the question. Then, in the second stage, the required circumcircle is drawn. The second stage is described in this animation. If you want to learn the first stage, that is the construction of the triangles, check out the other videos in this channel. So, we are now going to draw the circumcircle of the triangle called ABC. To draw a circumcircle on a triangle, we have to draw the bisectors of any two arms of the triangle. Let us first draw the bisector of the arm BC. The name of this bisector is PQ. Then the bisector of the arm AB will be drawn. This bisector is named RS. These two bisectors intersect each other at point W. So, the circumcenter of this triangle is W. B is connected to W. WB is the circumradius. In this case, instead of connecting W to B, we could also join W to C or W to A. At last, the required circumcircle can be drawn, taking W as circumcenter and WB as the circumradius. To watch more educational videos like this, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching the video.